Hello and welcome. Today we shall be taking a look at global music and audio products company Focusrite PLC. The company has a market capital of £300 million and is currently ranked 67th in the UK FTSE alternative investment market. In the financial year to August 2018, Focusrite had a turnover of £48 million and an operating profit before tax of £11.67 million, which gave it a margin of 15.5%. It currently pays an annual dividend yield of 0.71%, which is paid semi-annually in January and May. This dividend is covered 5.6 times by the earnings per share. The Focusrite brand was established in 1985. The chairman, Phil Dudridge, is a notable figure in the professional audio industry, having worked as Led Zeppelin's first dedicated live sound man. In 1989, Dudridge formed Focusrite Audio Engineering Limited, which acquired the assets of Focusrite Limited. Focusrite PLC appointed TUNE.L as its chief executive, effective from January 3rd, 2017. Tim was formerly Vice President of Product Management at Avid Technology. Focusrite PLC is a global music and audio products group that develops and products proprietary hardware and software products. The Focusrite Group has a global customer base with a distribution network covering approximately 160 territories, as well as an e-commerce website. Focusrite employs around 210 at its High Wycombe headquarters, as well as offices in London, Los Angeles, Hong Kong, and further employees in Germany and Mexico. In 2018, revenue was divided into three regions. Europe, Middle East and Africa represented 39% of revenue, North America 44%, and the rest of the world 17%. Focusrite sold approximately 900,000 physical products to the end users last year, and the music creation apps were downloaded over 2 million times, with over 750,000 in-app customer transactions. For the previous 4 years, Focusrite has had a consistent revenue of between £48 and £75.1 million and an operating profit margin ranging from 13.1% to 15.5%, which gave it an average of 14.1%. The forecast for next year is a 5% increase in revenue to around £79 million and a margin of 17%. With generated earnings for the previous 4 years of between 11.8 pence and 18.4 pence per share, the dividend has always been well covered by at least 5.6 times the earnings per share. The share price standard deviation for 2018 was 58 compared to 51 for the FTSE AIM index. The share price is currently at a 52-week intraday high. The final results at the end of November reported that Group's revenue grew by 13.7% to £75.1 million. Operating profit grew 26.1% to £11.9 million, and net cash was £22.8 million. A trading update is due early March. The share price is currently at an intraday 52-week high. This has increased the price-earnings ratio higher to 27.6, which may be justified for a high cash-generating company like Focusrite, with its potential growth. Focusrite pays an annual dividend yield of 0.71% compared to the FTSE AIM average of 1.44% and is covered 5.6 times by earnings. Focusrite has a free cash flow of £13.87 million and a current net cash of £22.8 million, and it is debt-free. For these reasons, I have given the Focusrite Group an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5. Thank you for watching. Please leave comments below. And also like and subscribe for further analysis of UK company businesses.